Can you solve this basic question from Stanford University? Give it a try, but before that, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Now let's start with the video. So the problem states that we have to solve for x, of course, an integral value of x, which is satisfying this equation, and the equation is simply x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x divided by x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 2. So let's see its solution. So of course x is multiplied by itself 4 times, so it will be x to the power 4, and of course it is added to itself 4 times, so 4x is equal to 2, right? Okay, so far so good. Okay, so what many people do is that they say that this is equal to 8x, right? I have no problem with it, but I have problem when they say that x is equal to 0 is the solution of this equation, which of course is wrong. Why? Let me give you an answer. So when you said x to the power 4 by 4x is equal to 2, and you said that x to the power 4 is equal to 8x, you fundamentally meant there that x is not equal to 0. Because if x is equal to 0, then you would get a 0 in the denominator, which is not allowed in mathematics, right? So basically x to the power 4 is equal to 8x is correct as far as you consider x not equal to 0, right? Okay, so let me erase this. So now you know that yx is equal to 0 is not a solution of this question. So x to the power 4 by 4x is equal to, it implies that x to the power 3 by 4 is equal to 2, which means x cube is equal to 8, which means x cube minus 8 is equal to 0, which means that x cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. So you have x minus 2 into x square, right? What is the identity? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, correct? So you have x square plus 2x plus 4, right? And it must be equal to 0. Now notice that discriminant of this quadratic is what? It's b square minus 4ac, so it will be 4 minus 16, which is negative 12. Since the discriminant is less than 0, which means that it won't yield any integral value nor even real value, so it means that this will be neglected over here. So you are basically getting the root as x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the only solution of this equation, right? And you can verify also. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is equal to 16 by 8, which is equal to 2. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Bye bye, take care.